Welcome to our first room review. We are here in Swakopmund at the Strand Hotel Swakopmund in room 205, which is a luxury room. And as we step in, it's a small hallway here. Come in. To the right we have a bathroom. As you can see, we have two sinks with different amenities, some soap, shower caps and vanity kit. If you look down here, we have a hairdryer, some small mirrors. And if we look at the bathroom, we have a nice big bath with a nice shower head. We have a toilet here, and then we have two decent sized closets, some blankets on top. We can get a little bit chilly here. It has a nice feature with the light that turns on when you open the closets, and then you have another one here. You also have some sliding doors here that can separate from the main room if that's what you want. Have a nice full body mirror. Come in here, have a small little screen where you can adjust the temperature to different modes. It's also really nice. Over here you have the tea and coffee station with a boiler and some small cookies, 2 complimentary water. The tea is up here, nice different selection. Down here we have a fridge where you can store whatever you wish and some glasses. Then turn to the rest of the room. There's quite a lot of things in here. You have 2 comfortable chairs with a table, a decent size television. And you have a big bed, lots of different paintings on the wall, and also a small couch here which is really comfortable and nice. It has this kind of beach vibe which fits very well, obviously, as it is next to the beach. You have some desk here where you can store different things if you wish to. And then last but not least, you have here a view to outside. There's a balcony here with a view to the beach, which is obviously very difficult to see from here, but very nice. So all in all, that was this for the first 2 room review. We hope you will enjoy.